Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.4 question number 8. Water is pouring into a cuboidal reservoir at the rate of 60 liters per minute. If the volume of reservoir is 1108 meter cube, find the number of hours it will take to fill the reservoir. Let us find. Here you see what I got, that is volume of the cuboidal reservoir. We'll find the volume of the cuboidal reservoir. Here you see, we know that that 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Now volume of the cuboidal reservoir, volume of the cuboidal reservoir, volume of the cuboidal reservoir is equal to 108 meter cube, that is 108 into 1000 liter. 108 meter cube. If we convert it into liters, we know that 1 meter cube equals 1000 liter. Therefore 108 into 1000 liter, and that is equal to 108,108,000 liter, right? Now what is pouring into the cuboidal reservoir at the rate of 60 liters per minute? In 1 minute, in 1 minute, water poured is 60 liter. Therefore in 60 minutes, it is 1 hour. 60 minutes means 1 hour. In 1 hour, water poured into the reservoir is 60 into 60 liters. 60 into 60. 60 into 60 liters. That is equal to 36,000 liter. That is, in 1 hour, water poured is 3600 liters. Therefore, required number of hours. Required number of hours. Required number of hours is equal to 108,000 divided by 3600. And this 0 will cut, and this 0 will cut. The 36,108,000. If we divide it by 3, 3 3, 3 to 6, You divide it by 3. 3 3 is 9. 18, 6 is 18. 0. 12 1 is 12. 3 2 is 36. 0. That is equal to 30 hours. 30. Required number of hours is 30. Find the number of hours it will take to fill the reservoir. Therefore, it will take 30 hours. It will take 30 hours to fill the reservoir. To fill the reservoir. Dear friends, again we are repeating. We know that 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. Therefore, volume of the cuboidal reservoir equal to 108 meter cube is equal to 108 into 1000 liter, and that is equal to 108,000 liter. Here, in 1 minute, water poured into the cuboidal reservoir is 60 liter. Therefore, in 60 minutes, that means in 1 hour, water poured is 60 into 60 liter, that is 3600 liter. Therefore, required number of hours equal to 108,000 by 3600, that comes to 30. Therefore, we can say that it will take 30 hours to fill the reservoir. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.